the AI boom's best-kept secret. What if you're about to miss the next Nvidia? Again? The opportunity you're not supposed to see? The best investments are the ones no one talks about, until it's too late. What if I told you that while you were chasing the Teslas and the Nvidias of the world, there was a company that's already powering the AI boom, and yet almost no one is talking about it? A company that doesn't sell hype, it sells something far more valuable, data, the very fuel AI needs to exist. But wait, before you write this off as just another small cap with a dream, ask yourself, what if Innodata is the next Nvidia, but no one's paying attention yet? I know, sounds like clickbait. But Nvidia was once a forgotten graphics chip maker, until it became the backbone of AI. And Innodata, it doesn't make chips. It makes meaning, structuring raw, chaotic, real-world data into usable gold for AI models to learn from. Imagine training an AI to drive without labeled traffic signs or diagnose cancer with mislabeled medical scans. You can't! And that's the problem Innodata solves. But if this company is that important, why is no one paying attention? Or more importantly, why are the right people paying attention quietly? The ghost in the machine. Let's pull back the curtain. What does Wall Street know that retail investors are missing? This is where it gets interesting. Institutional analysts often get early access to insider briefings, data integrations, private calls, and high-level strategy decks. You get headlines. Yet some of the largest players, hedge funds, sovereign wealth funds, have small positions in Innodata. Why small? Because the game isn't public yet. The volume's too low, the awareness too quiet, and they don't want to blow their cover. But that doesn't stop them from watching and waiting. Why are big names quietly partnering with Innodata while everyone else chases the next hype stock? Because the smartest players aren't loud, they're strategic. Meta, big government agencies, and Fortune 500 companies have worked with Innodata to streamline their AI training pipelines, but no big flashy press release, no buzzwords, no "we're all in on AI" marketing campaign. Just contracts, quiet payments, ongoing integration. In the AI boom, some companies scream from the rooftops, others just send the invoice. What AI apps is Innodata already integrated into? And you never knew? Ever used a health app that identifies symptoms with AI? Or a fintech bot that analyzes SEC filings faster than you can read the title? Behind the scenes, that's often Innodata. They process legal, healthcare, and financial documents, millions of them, feeding structured data into machine learning pipelines. It's like being the electric grid for the AI world. You don't think about it until it's gone. Is this your once-in-a-decade chance to get in before the AI wave fully hits? Here's where the fear of missing out gets real. AI is not a future trend. It's here. It's scaling. And we're just in the first inning. Innodata's market cap? $1.5 billion. Nvidia's? Over $4 trillion. If this is truly the infrastructure layer of the new AI age, ask yourself, do I want to wait until every YouTube finance channel is screaming about this stock? Or do I want to get in before the train leaves the station? Why are insiders loading up on shares? Do they know something we don't? Insiders bought millions of dollars worth of stock in the past year. And here's the twist. They're not doing it for publicity. They're buying quietly, consistently, over time. You don't put your own money on the table unless you believe there's something coming the public can't yet see. Would you bet your own salary on a company most investors ignore? Yes or no? Is Innodata the next big acquisition target in the AI arms race? Tech giants are desperate for data infrastructure, not just the tools to use AI, but the tools to train it. Amazon tried to buy iRobot. Microsoft bought Nuance. Apple, always lurking. Innodata is a small enough bite to swallow and a large enough threat to justify the move. All it takes is one headline, and retail investors will be left saying, wait, what the hell is Innodata? Now, the part nobody wants to talk about. If this stock is so promising, why haven't the big funds piled in yet? Because scalability is still a question mark. Yes, Innodata has AI-assisted tools. Yes, they have a growing client list. But can they scale fast enough before bigger players build their own solutions? What's the real risk of betting on the best-kept secret? That stays secret too long. It's the curse of the hidden gem. Some companies stay under the radar so long that by the time the spotlight hits, the opportunity's gone. Are margins strong enough to compete with deep-pocketed AI giants? This is the financial Achilles heel. Innodata's gross margins sit around 30-40% depending on the quarter. Compare that to 75% plus for software giants. Why? Because cleaning and labeling data, especially sensitive data, still involves humans. Yes, AI is helping automate, but will it be enough? Or will this always be a grind-heavy, margin-thin operation vulnerable to disruption? So now you know. Innodata might be the pick-and-shovel play of the AI revolution. It might be building the infrastructure no one's watching, yet everyone's using. Or it might just stay the quiet servant of the giants who eventually replace it. So the real question is, will this stock be the next Nvidia? Or the next could have been the one you wish you noticed when it was still trading under $15? Because when your Uber driver tells you about Innodata, it's already too late.